If y'all can't see it, like the reason I got it up, cause I just got a haircut. But I'm about to let y'all see like the. Ooh, this shit hurt too. Ooh, this shit hurt. Ooh, that bitch hurt. Hold on, y'all. It looked like that cause I just had it in the It looked crazy cause I had it in the ponytail for so long, but look at the fresh retwist. No, back in the ponytail. Cause I like my shit in a ponytail, no cap. Bro, I got dreads, so you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna see the cut unless I got a ponytail. You dig what I'm saying? That's how I be fucking with the ponytail. But I'm gonna talk kinda quiet. Everybody asleep and shit, cause like, I ain't gonna cap. When I got back to the crib, I went straight to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Look at the fade though, man. Shout out Tabby, man. Shout out Tabby, bro. Look at the fade, bro. Shout out to Peanut, shout out Tabby, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Peanut for the retwist. Dig. And shout out Tabby for the cut. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to y'all for sticking towards the whole video. You feel what I'm saying? It's a lot of y'all out there who be like, hey yo Mal, how you get your hair like this? Hey yo Mal, like how you do this and that and third? I'm basically showing y'all. I'm basically giving y'all the steps by steps what I did pretty much for like year and a half. It's approaching 2 years, you know what I'm saying? In February it'll be like 2 years. But yeah man, this is, and the reason I'm bending now cause like my hair is kinda high. But this is, hold on, let me adjust the camera. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, that shit should be straight. Alright, now y'all can see. Alright, so look. Hey man, this is the transformation video, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna keep y'all here too long. You dig what I'm saying? But at the same time, hey man, the day has been a long ass day. Okay, I woke up at 7. I really didn't even go to sleep since the last day, you know what I'm saying? But I got ready at 7, you know what I'm saying? I drove, I ain't gonna tell y'all how many minutes away, but I drove a minute away, you know what I'm saying? Just to get my hair retwisted. Came back home almost. Shout out to Tabby once again, you feel me? Because I really missed my haircut appointment. Like I was an hour late. Cause I didn't go to sleep for that whole day, so y'all already know how that shit go, bro. You know what I'm saying? But basically what I got is a retwist, a 2-strand twist, you know what I'm saying? And then for my haircut, basically this is a basic bald fade. I ain't gonna count. I usually don't like getting bald fades, but Tabby always get me right no matter what she, you know what I'm saying? No matter what she fought with a nigga on, I just sit down and chill. She just do her little magic, you know what I'm saying? So if she feel like giving me a drop fade, a low taper, whatever, that's what I work with. But today she gave me a bald fade, you feel me? And also the haircut video is out, so make sure you go watch the haircut video. I mean, that's a part of the transformation, so make sure you go watch that haircut video. I double uploaded for y'all today, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go watch that haircut video. You dig what I'm saying? But no cap, fresh ass lineup, bro. Fresh ass retwist, you know what I'm saying? What more can you ask for? You know what I'm saying? So shit, I just got put back in the game. I ain't gotta wear my beanie no more. Well, I mean, I'm still gonna rock that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna rock that bitch. But I got some more videos on the way for y'all too. You know what I'm saying? But it's Thanksgiving, so I'm probably shit. I want to film some stuff, but you know how it be, bro. When you around family and shit like that, you usually don't get to be around family. But I'm still gonna bring my equipment just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just in case I gotta film some stuff for y'all. But 30K, man. We on the way to 30K. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications, man. I appreciate y'all. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible, okay? And encouraging words, like I always give y'all. Keep your head up. You feel me? Chase after your dreams. I'm the definition of chasing after your dreams. Cause no matter how many times motherfuckers tell me, oh, you doing this, oh, you doing that. You know what I'm saying? I steady chasing after my shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm steady on the ground for my shit. You know what I'm saying? So, and I came from zero just like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I didn't ride nobody. You know what I'm saying? To get where I'm at right now. You know what I'm saying? I started from the seed, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like Mr. Organic say, from the seed. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all. I'm lost for words myself. Oh yeah. Hey yeah. This is what we will be doing. We will be wearing that do-rag tonight. Yeah. Protect the hairstyle and protect the haircut. So when you get your fresh ReTwist, go ahead and throw that do-rag on. You know what I'm saying? But before you throw it on, make sure you get you a little brush, a little session in to lay your hair down. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it, man. I ain't trying to take up too much of y'all time. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all once again. Drop a like, share this video to any dreadhead that you know, or anybody who's thinking about getting dreads, or if you're thinking about getting dreads, man, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. More public interviews on the way for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, peace. Damn. Oh, I forgot. This shit crazy, yo. Alright, let me stop wasting time. Y'all niggas tripping. Y'all got me tripping, man. Hey, follow all my social medias. Link will be in the description. Instagram, TikTok especially. You feel me? So you want me to upload Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. You dig what I'm saying? Anything that's in the link in the description, make sure you go follow that. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to too, bro. I'll be texting y'all on Instagram too. So yeah. And we catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.